Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to change the system language on your Nintendo Switch. So what I want you to do is open up the system settings. It should be a setting cog. And then once you open this up, you want to scroll all the way down until the very bottom option, which is system. Tap on system, and then you want to find the first, second, third option, which says language. Tap on this one and you'll be able to choose to whichever language you want. The reason why I told you which option they are, like how far they are down, is, for example, if you're watching this tutorial and you set the system language to Japanese, for example, and you want to know how to switch it back, then you just look at, oh, okay, system's at the very bottom, so I just tap on that one. So I'm going to change it to Japanese, so we'll just change this right now. I don't think that's Japanese, but you'll have the prompt. Nintendo Switch will require you to restart the console in order to change the language. So I'm just going to do that now, and you can see the Nintendo Switch will start up. However, the language will be different. Now, I'm not sure which language I selected. It definitely was not Japanese. I think it may be like Cantonese or something like that. But you can see the system language has been successfully changed. So let me just go through how to change it back without, English on screen. So you go to the very bottom option, then the third option, and then you can choose whichever language you want. I'm going to set this to English, and okay, and now the language has been set back. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe for brand new. Check out my playlist, it's on the end screen right now, of a bunch of Nintendo Switch tips and tricks. It'll be in the description down below. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye.